I'm super excited to let y'all know that our merch store is up and running on our website. So I just wanted to show y'all some of the fun stuff we have available. We have our handmade Aunt Jane aprons, which every one is completely different and you get to pick out which one you want. We have our super cute spatulas that are good for anything in the kitchen. We also have these great stickers that can go on laptops, water bottles, or anything your heart desires. They come in 2 colors. And speaking of stickers, they look amazing on our candles, which smell so good and just like Nanny's icing, and just make you want to eat them up, but you definitely can't, even though they're soy-based. Any of this could be yours by simply going to our website and ordering all of your things there. Thanks, y'all.